What if I told you the most stunning part of your Thanksgiving table came from the Dollar Tree? With the leaves changing and a chill in the air, we're officially in the coziest season of all. And I got some pretty great inspiration this past weekend for today's video. Welcome into Crazy Craft Creations. I'm Shelby, and I'm going to show you how to turn a handful of Dollar Tree finds into a centerpiece that looks like it came from a high-end boutique. And real quick, hit that subscribe button before we get started so you stay updated on all of our upcoming holiday projects we have in store. We'll talk more on that later. I'm starting with this long wooden plank I already owned. First step is to place your anchors. These are our 3 candle holders. I grabbed these simple glass ones from the Dollar Tree, placing one in the center and the other 2 slightly off center on either side. This helps us with the placement of our florals. Now let's build our foundation with a beautiful fall leaf garland. I'll be honest with you, I bought this garland years ago and I don't remember where I got it, but I like to save one-off things like this for this exact reason. You never know what you'll come up with later to use it for. We're going to place the garland around the candle holders in a gentle infinity shape. This creates a beautiful flowing line for the eye to follow. Don't worry about it being perfect right away, we're just creating the main shape. We can fluff and adjust as we go. This is the fun part, adding personality. I'm tucking in some faux fall leaves in beautiful creams, oranges, and red colors. I'm using fall leaf picks I found at the Dollar Tree, plus some other greenery and florals at Craft Outlet. I'll have everything linked in the description below if you want to use the exact items I did. So I got a lot of inspiration for this one this past weekend, taking my family on the Talamina Drive. And living here in Arkansas, one of my favorite things to do in fall is take some beautiful scenic drives. It's just a couple hours from our home, so we thought Sunday would be a perfect day to take a day trip. And we saw some beautiful fall colors while we were out there. And what about you? What's your favorite thing to do for fall? The Dollar Tree links you'll see are affiliate links. When you make a purchase through them, I may gain a small commission, which helps me keep bringing you free craft ideas to your home every week. And here's my secret weapon for making this truly look expensive. I'm mixing in a few of these gorgeous faux cream-colored dahlias I got from Craft Outlet. The key is to tuck these elements into the greenery, not just lay them on top. This makes it look full and professionally arranged. So, funny story, I got a teenage son that started driving this past year, and he wanted to drive his car behind us during our weekend adventure. He's a good driver and it's a pretty easy drive, so I thought, sure, why not? Well, about halfway through our journey in the middle of nowhere with no cell phone service, he had a tire blowout. No one was hurt, thank God, but we had nothing to change the tire and it was the worst spot to have a flat. Right on a curve going uphill. Then I'll add in some different textures, like these faux cotton sprigs and maybe a few small pine cones. I flagged down a car and thankfully they stopped and had everything to help us get on our way. It ended up being an ATV key hidden under some pine leaves that did the tire in. And for the final elegant touch, let's add our candles. Needless to say, we definitely had quite the adventure, but I'm extremely grateful for the time we got to spend together. Our arrangement is looking full and beautiful. The final step is to add our scented candles that came from the Dollar Tree. I'm using the simple cream-colored one in the center, and the more rustic-looking ones on each end. They add height and, of course, that wonderful warm glow. Look at that. It's rustic, it's elegant, and it's filled with the warm colors of autumn. It creates the perfect focal point for your table where family and friends will gather. All in all, I spent a total of $15 at the Dollar Tree, and the entire centerpiece cost a total of $35. I truly believe that a beautiful space makes gatherings even more special. And the best part is, we just proved that it doesn't have to cost a fortune to make that happen. And now more of your budget can go to the most important part, the food. Speaking of which, what's your must-have dish on the Thanksgiving table? Mine's gotta be my homemade smoked mac and cheese. Thanks for crafting with me today, and I'll see you next week, where I'll show you different ornament craft kits you'll love to make with your kids, grandkids, your own tree, or maybe even a gift. Until then, stay well and happy crafting!